What if the secret to seeing atoms was right in front of you, something you've probably used to wrap gifts or fix a torn page? Today, we're unpacking a story that flips science on its head, how everyday sticky tape, not some futuristic machine, became the key to capturing the first X-ray of an atom. Let's rewind to the early 2000s at UCLA. A group of physicists was experimenting with something anyone could find in their desk drawer: clear adhesive tape. They weren't searching for a new way to seal boxes. They wanted to see what happens when you pull sticky tape in a vacuum. No fancy lab equipment, just tape and a bit of curiosity. As they peeled the tape apart, they noticed an odd blue glow. But this wasn't just any glow. When they tested it, they realized they'd stumbled across something extraordinary. The tape was producing X-rays. Now, X-rays are powerful. We use them to see inside bodies, scan luggage, and study materials. But they're usually made with expensive machines. The idea that sticky tape could make X-rays strong enough to image atoms? That sounded impossible. Yet, here it was, happening in front of them. The scientists dug deeper, setting up detectors to measure the tape's X-ray output. And there it was, the unmistakable signature of X-rays, strong enough to reveal atomic structures. So how did tape do this? The answer is called the triboelectric effect. When you pull the tape apart in a vacuum, electrons jump from one piece to the other, creating a sudden electric energy surge. That energy gets released as X-ray photons. It's the same effect that makes your hair stand up when you rub a balloon, but in this case, the energy is powerful enough to create X-rays. This experiment blew open doors. Suddenly, scientists realized that you didn't need a multi-million-dollar machine to create X-rays. You could use something as simple as tape. The implications were massive, from portable X-ray sources to new ways of imaging atoms and molecules cheaply. It wasn't just a physics breakthrough, it showed how creativity and curiosity can transform ordinary objects into tools for discovery. For researchers, this meant new paths for investigation. For everyone else, it's a reminder that science is everywhere, even on your desk. Next time you reach for tape, think about the electrons jumping, the invisible light flickering, and the atomic worlds hidden just beneath the surface. That's the magic of science. Answers sometimes hide in plain sight, waiting for someone to ask the right question. Follow Lorelight for more stories worth knowing.